and as I press, I am able to generate a chart here, which is alt function F1. So I am able to get a chart also. To this chart, I will do few things here. I want the numbers to come here, so I'll click on this and I'll click on data labels so that I'm getting these numbers also. To bring it, I'll remove the grid lines and the date chart titles from there, so I'm able to show these numbers here. 7429, 743, all these numbers are shown here. Right, now I'll do the same exercise for this also. I just want you guys to understand that what big difference does it makes. I'll click here, Control C, and I'll paste it here, Control V, and now this data is basis this. So I've created this table also here, and with this table also I'll create a chart, alt function F1, alt function F1. I've created another chart here. I'll make a similar one. I'll keep it here, and I want you to realize the difference between the two data so that you know that what advantages we will draw whenever we are converting our data into a proper Excel table. So I'm clicking on the data labels here and all the numbers. So both of my data are looking very similar now. I have got this table here and I have got this chart here. I'll just, for the convenience purposes, I'm just keeping it on this data, right, on this data, and the other table I'm keeping here on this data. Now friends, just have a look. What I'll do is I'll copy the next 10 rows of data from here. Sales data, this is the next day, first day you have got this data, we have converted it into a table, given a chart, done average, sum. Next day we are getting some more data. I'm taking an example that 10 rows of data next day we got again. So you just copy this data, and just keep an eye on the numbers here. Keep an eye on the numbers. The total is 7429. Average is this. I'll just average this, copy this data and paste it here. Control V, Control V. So friends, we have copied this data from the first table. I've got the sales numbers also for these columns now, for these rows now, and I'll paste it here. Just have a look on this number 7429. I'll just paste it. Control V, and could you see it from 7429 it became 12,519. The chart changed, it updated everything, all your data got updated. So if you're doing some analysis, if you've converted your data into proper Excel table, if you're updating your data, the complete analysis, the chart, the formulas, everything get updated. This is the biggest advantage, and it will help you in automating your reports. When as we move ahead, we'll see more examples of more complex things which we'll be doing. And if you are doing with our data like this, it will help us a lot, save a lot of time and effort, and it will help us in automating things and saving time for us whenever we are doing some repeat activities. We are getting some similar activities and we are doing it on daily basis. Here I'll just show you, we did the same hard work. We have created the chart, the data is here, and everything is created here. Now I'll go and paste the data, copy and paste the data from here. It is already copied, and to this data also I'll paste it. Here the chart is created, table is here, and now I'll paste it here. Control V, and you will see that nothing has changed. It is 7429, 743, nothing changed. So now you have to do again, you need to change the formula, you have to update the chart, and all this effort and time is saved if you are converting your data, formatting it as a proper Excel table. If you format it as proper Excel table, you have many other advantages, but the biggest one is that it can help you in automating your regular processes, wherein you just replace the data and everything gets updated on its own. So friends, I hope you have learned and you have enjoyed learning this. Practice it with real data and try to do it. In the next session, we'll be talking about cell styles. So let's meet in the next session, friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.